Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a quick review about these two websites, which happens to be one of the top websites about social media management tools, which is ContentStudio versus SocialPilot. So which one is better for you to use in 2025? So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the two websites, which is ContentStudio. Then the other website is called SocialPilot. They are both social media management tools that provide a wide range of features for you to help you grow your social media accounts, grow your audience, and grow your business marketing, which is also super cool and can also be used by influencers. You want to promote your brand and a lot more like that. So this two websites is being selected as one of the top social media management tools. So let's get started. Choosing the right social media management tools could feel like trying to pick a winning lottery ticket. So it's a big decision you want sometimes that makes your life easier or harder, right? So there are two popular tools that you can use for your social media management, which is ContentStudio, like I said, and the other one is SocialPilot, which comes out from best. So today's review, I'm going to pick one of these platforms, one after the other, review them, and it's just to decide which one you think is the best, starting from their core features down to their pricing plan, then we can get it all, which one you think is the best for you to use. So let's get started. So talking about ContentStudio, what is ContentStudio, right? So thinking of ContentStudio as all your one-in-one social media command center, it's not just about scheduling posts. It helps you find awesome content and connect with your audience and track how well your posts are doing, right? So they also provide a wide range of key benefits for using their website. One of the key benefits for using their website is finding the trending content. No more writing blogs, ContentStudio Discovery Engine uncover the most engaging articles, image, and videos from across the web that help you, spice up kind of content you can create, the trending content that spike up the attention of your audience. And you also have access to automate. You can also automate your posting, which also means you can schedule your posts, social media content week in advance, and ContentStudio automatically post them without you have to involve or come up almost every time to post things on the platform on your social media accounts. Also get access to collaborate with your teams, working with others. So ContentStudio makes it easier make it easy for you and manage your social media tasks and approve with your team without any difficulties. Also get access to AI writers. AI writer, which comes with AI caption template, generate hashtag, which help you with that, then auto append emojis and AI generated image. You also get access to integrated with other tools, which is awesome. So now talking about the pricing plan for this website. So for you to get that, they also provide a flexible and a scalable pricing. Their pricing is divided into two. You can simply pay for monthly and can pay for monthly subscription and a yearly subscription. But on the yearly subscription part, you can save up to 40% on you have about 34% discount. So starting from the yearly plan, you can start with the standard plan of $19 per month, then advanced, which is $49, then agency unlimited $10.99, which is with discounts. Don't forget that. Then on the monthly plan, just click on the monthly, then you can switch from the monthly to okay. Now go on the monthly plan. Then on the standard plan, it's $29 per month. Then on the advanced, which is $69 per month, which is revealed to be a year, and $139. That's how you have to pay. And also you can also compare the plan in details. Here the list of assets you gain on each plan, right? So you get access to all of these on the standard plan for the monthly. Let's start with the monthly. You get all of this. The starter plan, the social media network that is being covered, on the standard plan, you get access to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Tinder, okay, Pinterest, and even TikTok and Thread, And also on the advanced, you get all of these. Almost then you get about media storage of 10 gig on the standard, then the media storage under the media storage for advanced, you get about 60. Then under the media storage for the Agents Unlimited, you get about 25, and you get a lot of more, which is 3 blog sites with $15 per month per extra, then 10 blog sites with $5 per extra with a blog network. These are the blog network, which is WordPress and all of that, with Wix and it's a lot more. So if you want to use this website, you can just simply come here to compare the plan. So this can actually help you, to decide which plan you want to go for. Is it standard, is it advanced, or is it agency unlimited? And the most important thing about this, which is the pro about this website, is this powerful content discovery. It is easy to use and navigate. It's in-depth analytics, and also it's create an excellent customer support. And one of the the cons, which is condition about this, is it's kind of pricey. Price is kind of a bit high, and the mobile app is limited. There's no inbuilt image editor, which is not really that good about that. That is that on ContentStudio. So we're moving back to the SocialPilot. Yeah, this is SocialPilot website. So what is SocialPilot? You need to manage a bunch of social media accounts. Like SocialPilot is there to help you with a powerful tools that makes scheduling, analyzing, and engaging with your audience to a praise. So this website actually help you with that. When it comes to scheduling, analyzing, and engaging with your audience base, this website is the best when it comes to that. So and also one of the key important things that you need to know about this website, they provide a client management made, which makes it easy to manage up to 200 social media accounts and effortlessly share reports with your clients. You also get access to white label report, which also impress your client with your professional branded reports showcasing your social media success. You also get free access to not really access like that to benefit for you using this platform, which is a ContentStudio, which is brainstorm content ideas, which is curate engaging in articles and schedule posts across all your 9 major social network, which is super cool. So let's talk about the pricing for this website. We also offer a wide range of pricing, which is can be accessed on the website by clicking on the pricing. So here's the pricing. They start from the essential, start from the standard. Okay, the payment plan is divided into 2. We have the monthly, the year. This is for monthly. We pay for the essential plan. You pay 30, standard 50, premium 100, and ultimate 200. And for the yearly, you pay 25, 42, 85, and 170. With a lot of comparison, which you can easily go to the website and confirm that. And the pro about this website is they are the features are rich, then the conditions are overwhelming. No built content discovery, and mobile app will not be improvised. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section which one you think is best for you. Thank you.